this, guys. I'm trying to vlog with this camera. It's kind of hard. Gotta get used to it. Yep, we're on our way to Cherokee. We'll have a lot of videos up, and y'all probably won't see this till Thursday or Friday or so, because y'all know we have to use the computer to upload everything now. But I'm gonna continue to do vlogs on my cell phone as well, and so is Farrah. As long as I can, because y'all know I'm having issues on my phone, but that's the way it goes sometimes. At least we got a camera now. I'll film a little bit. I'm not gonna film anymore until we get outside of where y'all are used to seeing, so y'all can see something new.
I wanted to show you something on that camera.
Well,
Look in the top right left corner right here. Does it say anything about minutes or anything?
27 minutes
That's as long as they'll let us record.
at one time.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's hard.
We can only film 15 minutes anyway.
I'm gonna show you a video I've got on my. I think I've got one that's down there 30 minutes. So I don't know what's going on with that. Yep. About to get on 40 and head the hell out of here, guys. I think I'm actually gonna win this vlog because this is all crap. I used to go down every day working, so I will holler at you guys later. I will have more videos up, and I'm gonna start filming again when we get closer to Cherokee. I will holler at y'all later.